A developing story now. After years of battles, there's about to be another attempt to expand the convention center. That's after the same exact plan failed to even make it on the ballot in 2018.
Mayor Kevin Faulconer wants the city to move the vote up to March of 2020 instead of putting it in the general November election. 10 News reporter John Horn reveals why opponents believe it's a dirty political move.
The tourist tax would rise the most closest to the city center. So people staying inside the U.S. Grand Hotel would see their bill increase by about 3%.
When I'm doing my job correctly, nobody notices me.
But Noel Helms plays a key role in making sure some of San Diego's biggest events go smoothly. He sets up sound systems for conferences in hotels and the convention center.
We just did a cellular biology show not too long ago. That was every single room in the convention center, every single room at the Hyatt, every single room at the Marriott, and every single room at the Hilton Bayfront.
The problem, Helms says, is that the shows are outgrowing San Diego. That's precisely why he's supporting a proposal to raise the tourist tax to fund the convention center expansion.
It's a living wage. And, you know, I'm straight in the middle class.
The plan, called Yes for a Better San Diego, would also fund homeless services and road repair. Now, some at City Hall want to move the vote up from the November 2020 election to the March primary, an idea getting some pushback.
Because democracy functions best when the most people vote.
Andrea Guerrero leads Alliance San Diego, a group that wants the city to keep the vote in November. She points to 2016's Measure L, which said citizens' initiatives should be on the November ballot when turnout is highest. The city council, however, can make an exception.
And that was meant to be used in urgent circumstances.
But with San Diego's current homeless crisis, some at City Hall say this is urgent. John Horn, 10 News.
The City Council voted 5-4 to pursue putting the hotel tax increase on the March ballot. It is expected to return in the fall to formalize that decision. It's unclear whether the measure would need a simple majority or 2/3 vote.